Dear shorthand writers, welcome to YouTube channel Parliamentary Reporter. Today I bring you a dictation of 255 phrases that are commonly used in dictation matters, especially in current affairs. You can take the dictation of these unseen phrases and evaluate yourself. The PDF link containing the outlines of these phrases is given the description of this video. Now the dictation. Ready? Start. According to scientists, across several spectrums, after his election, air, water and sunlight, all his life, all these states, all three states, always better than the, and they have such, anything about the, anything other than the, approach towards India, are not just about, are not necessarily, areas such as long as investments, at certain places, at least a week, at many places, at some places, at specific places, autonomous and semi-autonomous, between Indian and Chinese, between India and America, between India and China, between India and Nepal, between India and Pakistan, but has recently been, but since the, but some have not, but we should also have, cannot be stressed, coal sector reforms, compensation and relief, coniferous forests, conscious attempt, core aspects, countries such as India, countries that have, country, state or city, countries' security forces, critical and semi-critical, cross-border terrorism, deliberate objective, digital technology, diplomatic and military engagements, diplomatic engagements, diplomatic instruments, disasters and pandemics, domestic coal sector, door-to-door survey, during the second meeting, earlier this month, earlier this week, earlier this year, eastern and northeastern states, economic response, economic, social and political, employers and employees, equally significant, evergreen forests, experts have been, far-reaching reforms, fathers and mothers, first Indian state, food crops such as, for almost a decade, for most employees, for most services, for 6 decades, for the past fortnight, for the same amount, for the same week, for the second time, for their livelihood, friends and families, from every possible, from the Indian side, from the second half, fuel and electricity consumption, goods and labor, growth and prosperity, hassle-free movement, highest scoring subjects, horizontally or vertically, house-to-house surveillance, huge investments, hundreds of people, important source of water, in all its dimensions, in Indian territory, in India's climate, in its execution, in its relationship, in its representation, in just 2 days, in less than a week, in many places, in 1 week, in several sections, in 6 states, in the first month, in the latest such, in the previous month, in these disastrous times, in this time of crisis India has ever faced, India is likely, India must respond. Indian and foreign companies, Indian diplomatic mission, Indian foreign policy, Indian government's response, Indian infrastructure, Indian perspective, Indian territory, Indian American, India's biggest cities, India's bilateral trade, India's Pakistan policy, initial investment, intelligence assessment, international view. It is entirely possible. It will still be its biggest strength, its energy requirements, its majority. Just 1 month. Landless laborers, learning experience. Let us not forget. Logical and necessary. Loss of income. Maximum and minimum. Metallic and non-metallic. Micro, small and medium enterprises. Military and technological. Most number of. Most of us. Most parts of the country. Municipal bodies must reflect the national emblem. Necessary response. Nervous system. Northwest and Central India. Nuclear deterrence of some sort. Of this week. Offices and workplaces. Official and non-official. On his country. Once or twice a month. Once or twice a week. 1 more month. One of the most significant. Only recently. Only the second time. Or the government. Or you could. Other capacities. Others have spoken. Over several states. Oxygen cylinders. Parents and teachers. Past 4 weeks. Past 3 weeks. Payment of full wages. Plants and herbs. Political and diplomatic. Political and diplomatic space. Political relationship. Political standoff. Political, diplomatic and economic. Political, diplomatic and military. Poorest of the poor. Positive and constructive. Preliminary report. Primary source of income. Primary, secondary and higher education. Private and public schools. Producer and exporter. Producers and consumers. Ray of hope. Regional and local. Residential schools. Safety gear. Scheduled commercial banks. Scientific evidence. Second successive. Security and growth. Several states have, should not have taken, since he was, since Saturday. Sino-Indian relationship. Society and technology. Solar panels. Sovereignty and territorial integrity. steel, power and coal sectors. Still not seen the strategic and economic, streams and rivers. Stress related disorder, structural and cyclical, substantial investment, Supreme Court's observations, tactical and strategic, teachers and parents, teachers and students, that the latter, that was behind the, that we serve the, there is no alternative, there is no compulsion, there is no consensus, there is no objection, there is no policy. These states must, these two states, things such as third successive, this could also mean, this could not have, this is evident, this is likely, this was evident, this was one of the, this would have also been. 3 weeks later, through the next week, to their society, total number of people, two sides have, 2/3 majority. Under this program, uniform system, United Progressive Alliance, universally acknowledged, unless India is able to, unlike several states, utility such as water and power tariff, what is difficult, which must be addressed, which was conspicuously, with its record, with utmost respect, within a week, world's largest buyer, would not just be years or decades, you could also, you could be the. Dear shorthand writers, I hope you have liked these phrases. You can practice the outlines given in the PDF file, and you can definitely increase your speed by memorizing these outlines. Wish you all the best.